there, welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for a conditioner that truly delivers hydration without compromising your values, then you're in for a treat today. Let's talk about the R+Co Atlantis Moisturizing B5 Conditioner. This vegan, sulfate-free, and color-safe formula promises to restore moisture, soften your hair, and bring out that radiant shine. But does it live up to all of this? Let's find out. The R+Co Atlantis Moisturizing B5 Conditioner is designed with dry, damaged hair in mind, offering a blend of nourishing ingredients to help rejuvenate moisture-deprived strands. The key star here is the B5, Panthenol, which is known for its ability to retain moisture and add softness to the hair, making it an ideal choice for anyone with frizzy or coarse hair. The formula also claims to be compostable, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan, which means it aligns with a clean beauty ethos that's gaining popularity. As I used it, I was particularly impressed with the texture. It's a creamy, lightweight consistency that applies smoothly without feeling heavy or greasy. I have thick, curly hair, and conditioners like these can sometimes weigh me down, but this one seemed to strike a perfect balance. It's easy to spread through the hair, and a little goes a long way, which is great for saving product. After rinsing, my hair felt softer instantly. The real test came when I let it air dry. Normally I have to battle frizz, especially in humid conditions, but the Atlantis conditioner helped smooth things out. My curls were more defined, and the shine was visible without any greasy residue. I also noticed that my hair didn't feel overly stripped, which I've experienced with other sulfate-free products. It was a balanced feeling of clean but not dry. Now let's talk pros and cons. First, the good stuff. This conditioner delivers on its promise of moisture. It softens, it adds shine, and it leaves hair feeling healthy. It's also very versatile. You can use it whether you have coarse, curly hair or thick, frizzy strands. I also love that it's vegan and cruelty-free, definitely a plus for conscious beauty shoppers. On the flip side, I do wish it was a little more lightweight for fine hair, but if you have thicker hair, this won't be an issue. Is it worth the price? That really depends on your budget and hair needs. While it's on the pricier side for a conditioner, it offers solid performance, especially if you've struggled with moisture-deprived hair. It's sulfate-free, so if you're trying to avoid stripping your hair or color, it's definitely a great investment. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are more affordable options that might give you similar results without the luxury price tag. In terms of longevity, this conditioner isn't something you'll need to repurchase quickly. The bottle is well designed and holds a generous amount of product, meaning it should last you a couple of months, even with regular use. The vegan formula gives it a bonus appeal if you're trying to cut back on harsher chemicals in your routine. I did not have any personal experience with R+Co's customer support, but based on the reputation of the brand, they seem to be attentive and responsive, especially in the natural beauty space. If this price tag feels a bit steep for your routine, there are alternatives out there like Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner or the OGX Coconut Milk Conditioner, both of which are known for their nourishing qualities and more budget-friendly prices. While they don't have the same luxury feel, they deliver moisture and softness too. Overall, the R+Co Atlantis Moisturizing B5 Conditioner is an excellent choice for anyone with dry, coarse, or curly hair. It's a great product for those who prioritize high-quality ingredients, vegan and cruelty-free formulas, and of course, hydration. If you're looking for a conditioner that can really bring your hair back to life without damaging your color or strands, this is definitely worth considering. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on our honest beauty reviews. Your support helps us bring more content like this straight to your feed. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this conditioner, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.